DaDaaTV. Funny Farm. Hi kids, welcome to DaDaaTV. Today, we're going to learn about some amazing farm animals and the sounds they make. Are you ready? Let's go! Moo! Hi, I'm a cow. I live on the farm and give milk. Listen to my moo. Oink oink. Hello, I'm a pig. I love playing in the mud. Hear my oink. Hi there, I'm a sheep. I have a fluffy wool coat. This is how I sound. Hi kids, I'm a horse. I love to run and jump. Listen to my neigh. Hello, I'm a chicken. I lay eggs on the farm. Hear my cluck. Quack quack. Hi, I'm a duck. I love swimming in the pond. Listen to my quack. Ma, hello, I'm a goat. I like to climb and chew on things. Hear my ma.